So hello guys, welcome to new video and it's day 2 of our study vlog. So आज संडे है and the tasks are very difficult. जब टास्क ज़्यादा हो तो तभी कंप्लीट करने में और मज़ा आता है. So hello, you know that I am a night owl student. So it's 11 p.m. right now and the actual study is starting from now. So let's start with the physics again, the 4th chapter. So let's go. So आज का टास्क पहला है फिजिक्स का चैप्टर 3 जो भी बचा हुआ है उसको कंप्लीट करना एंड चैप्टर 4 का आधा कंप्लीट करना है क्योंकि आधा ही आने वाला है टेस्ट में एंड केमिस्ट्री का सॉल्यूशन एंड मैथ्स का मैट्रिसेस एंड डिटर्मिनेंट्स रिवाइज करना क्योंकि थोड़ा बहुत आता है एंड कंप्यूटर साइंस का 2 चैप्टर एंड कन्नड़ा एंड इंग्लिश में एक चैप्टर करना है. सो चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं बिना किसी देरी के. So I just completed the physics now and it's already 12:47 in the morning. So let's start with the chemistry. So इधर चैप्टर 4 कंप्लीट हो चुका था फिजिक्स का, इसलिए मैं इसको टिक कर रहा हूँ. So I completed almost 1 hour of chemistry lecture and the time is now around 3 a.m. and it's took me a lot of time because of distractions and understanding the concept clearly. So let's do the next task now. So it's time to do for max problem solvings on the chapter matrices. So let's go. So I completed with the max matrices and it's already 4 a.m. So I want to eliminate some tasks and I will reschedule it for tomorrow. So now I want to do computer science, so let's go for that. So I just completed computer science and it's already 5 a.m. in the morning. So that's it for today and whatever left I will reschedule to tomorrow. That's it for today's vlog. It's been a long night and although I couldn't complete all the tasks, I tried my best and made some good progress. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more content and leave a comment down below on what do you like to see next. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next day 3 vlog. So good night.